So if we go to Credit Karma, simple loan calculator, this is what it looks like. Type in simple loan calculator, Credit Karma. And when you do that, you come up with a loan calculator where you can put your amount in. And where'd my calculator go? Come on. Okay, here we go. So if I put 200,000 in here, and I say I have an interest rate of 3%, and the number of years is 30, and if we have the good credit rating, we're going to use good, but the one where we have the higher interest, we're going to use need to work. So if we put in there, we can calculate. So right here, it tells you if you have a loan of $200,000 at 3% interest for 30 years, your payment is going to be $843 per month. So what we would do, hello, your assignment today is to calculate what your mortgage payment would be for this home. You're buying a home for $200,000, and your first loan is going to be for 30 years. Your interest rate is 3%, with your poor credit rating being 9.5%. The second example is you're buying the same $200,000 home, but you want to try for 15 years. You're still going to use the 3% on the left for a good credit rating and 9.5% on the right side for a poor credit rating. So how do you do this? As I look at this, I see it says use Zillow mortgage calculator. Don't do that. Go to Google Chrome and type in simple loan calculator, Credit Karma. And that will bring you to this one. So remember, this is a $200,000 loan, and it's for 3% if you have good interest for 30 years. Is go back here, and right in here, your payment per month, that is going to be $843. Now, how do we find out how much we pay in 30 years? We did this in class. We're going to take the 843, we're going to multiply it by 30 years, and we're going to multiply it by 12 payments per year, and we're going to find out the amount we're going to put here. So that would be the first one. And you're going to repeat this process using 9.5% over here. Excuse me. Excuse me. So over here, you're going to use the 30 years, 200,000, but you're going to change your interest rate to 9.5%. You're going to get a monthly payment here, and you're going to get an amount here. You're going to take your monthly payment times 30 years times 12. Okay, down here, you're going to do the same thing, but instead of 30 years, we're going to use 15 years. So for this side over here, we're going to use 200,000, 15 years, and again, this 3% interest rate. You'll come up with an amount here using that loan calculator. Down here, when you get this amount, we're going to take it times 15 years times 12 payments per month. We're going to get this answer. We're going to repeat the process over here. I would like for you to get the answers for the questions down below by using the information you calculate here. If you need any help, please feel free to contact me at ourangle@western.k12.in.us.